Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Inline forex. So today we are having a breakdown of Eurchf. So want to break down and see where shall we get our entry, where shall we be having our trades. So as you know, first things first, we come from the higher time frames to the lower time frames. So we shall go to the monthly time frame, then we see what price really trying to do. So as we see on our monthly chart, price just block structure here. Yeah, it block structure there. So since it block structure there, we're having this is our last swing high before the break of structure. That is our last swing high before the break of structure. So, and if that is our last swing high before the break of structure, it means this is our low. Yeah, that is our swing low. So if we are in a downtrend, we are expecting price to come and then take out this low. But before price coming take out that low, where are we going to be having our sell trade that's going to take out the low? So as we see, we are having our last buy before the break of structure, which is here. Our last buy before the break of structure. We shall take the body, since the wick is so aggressive. So from there we shall come to the weekly chart. When we come to the weekly chart, we shall see that still price was in a downtrend, trying to give us lower lows and lower highs. So price came, it gave us lower low here, lower high, a lower low, a lower high, and then finally price block structure, meaning that we are in a clear downtrend. But in this downtrend, as we have seen that here we are having here on this zone, we are having an order block on the monthly chart. So if you're having a monthly order block on the monthly chart, what are you trying to mean? That price has to come here, then drop. So we want to see the weekly chart also in line with the monthly time frame. So if we are having a strong zone on the monthly chart, then we have to look for a strong zone in the same area on the weekly chart. So as we see, price came on the monthly, on the weekly, gave us lower low, a lower high, and block structure, and then it left for us an order block still. As you see, this is our order block. This is the last buy before the break of structure to the downside. So we have seen that here this zone is so strong. So let's go to the daily time frame. This is what they call the top-down analysis. So since we have known that our target is to sell from here, to sell from this zone, aiming for this low, we have to look for buying opportunities to push price to this zone. We have to look for buying opportunities from where price is to push to this zone so that we can sell off. Yeah, so when we come to the daily, we are seeing that price is dropping. So in this drop, we are looking for where to get some buys, push price higher, and then drop lower. And if that is the case, we shall come to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we are seeing that this move that is pushing price to this zone is bullish. So if it's bullish, we are seeing that price is giving us lower low, higher lows and then higher highs, and this is our recent higher high. Let's try to mark it out. This is our recent higher high, and if that is our recent high high, this is our recent lower low. Yeah, that is our recent lower low. Remember, we are trying to push price from this zone here, from here where price is currently in, push price to here, and then we drop down. So that's it. So as you see, if we are going to look for buying opportunities to push price higher so that you can sell off. And then under there, since we have got our lower low, our higher low and our higher high, then we are going to drop to the 4-hour. And the 4-hour, we are seeing that price, this is what price was trying to do. This is what price was trying to do. To give us high, a higher high, a higher low, price block structure here, and after price breaking structure, it gave us a lower low, a higher low. So from here, we are going to look for where are we going to really buy from. Where are you going to buy from? So we are going to do some bit of technical analysis from here. As we are seeing here, we are going to do some technical analysis here. We are seeing that price came from this low, gave us this high here. After giving us that high, it gave us a low, and then gave us another high here. Price broke structure to the downside, and then what happens after price breaking structure to the downside? It again broke structure to the upside, and then gave us a pullback. So this first pullback here that price gave us, we are going to use it as inducement, as liquidity. We're going to use it as liquidity. So if you are using it as liquidity, it means our entry is going to be below. It's going to be below this inducement. You're going to look for anything below this inducement. So what's below there? Below this inducement, we are having this order block here. This order block. Okay, we can take the whole of it. We can take the whole of it. You can take the whole of it. So if you're taking the whole of it, that means that's going to be our entry. We are having our entry here. Then our stop loss is going to be just below that low. So this is our entry. This is our entry. Let's put it in yellow. And then this low is our stop loss. So this is what we are expecting. This is what we are expecting. So, and then we are our first target is going to be, it's going to be this high. Our first target is going to be that high. So that's what we are expecting for the Eurchf. We are hoping to first take out this high before we tap into our zone, our high time frame key level. So that's it. That is it for Eurchf. So we're just going to wait for price to deliver, and then we execute our trade. So thank you for staying tuned in onto this channel. Thanks for listening to me until the end of the video. Let's just wait for the market to print and then we execute our trade. We are risking 25 pips, aiming for 94 pips. So that's it. Nice time.